Today, I'm going to be showing you how to start and grow your own Etsy shop. And it doesn't matter whether you're a teen, tween, or young adult. So why should you sell on Etsy? It's easy to learn, low fees on sales, built-in shipping labels, and your listings are easy for buyers to find. You can get a ton of sales that really add up to a lot. So let's get started. I'm going to break it down into steps for you guys, so here is step 1. Choose products to sell. Before you start your Etsy shop, make sure you know what kind of product you want to make and what you want to sell. You can sell basically anything, even digital products. Just make sure it's either handmade or vintage. You probably already know what kind of things you want to sell, so let's get started on the shop. Step 2 is to create an Etsy account. Ask for your parents' help while creating an Etsy account and make sure that you use their name for the account. This is especially important since legally you can't use your name if you're under 18. After you turn 18, then you can use your name for the account. Step 3 is to customize your shop. To make your shop so much better, add a banner, profile pic, title, and info. You can always change these later. Also make an about section and extra photos. Customizing your shop will give it more appeal and originality. Step 4 is to take good pictures for your listings. I use a ring light I got off of Amazon to make the lighting so much better for the pictures. If you don't have one, make sure you use natural light. Consider investing in a light box so you can take photos of your products. I use an empty shelf from a bookshelf for my photos and it turns out great. So here's my photo taking process. I put whatever I'm trying to take a picture of in the box, and then I start snapping photos of all kinds of different angles. You can probably see why it's so important to have good lighting. So now I'm going to show you how I edit my photos. First, I use the built-in camera app to edit, and I crop the photo, and then I usually add a filter. The vivid filter is the best. I just tone it down a little bit. I use this to make the photos pop, but also don't use it to take away from what it actually looks like. Now we can start working on your first listing. To make your first listing, go to your shop dashboard and click the little plus button. Then fill out all the information about your product. Select a category and add photos. After you add the photos, rearrange them to the way you want them to be. Next, give your product a title. Then you're going to add tags, and this is really important so buyers can find your item. Get creative with tags and picture what your buyers will be searching. Now you have the option to either publish your listing or save as a draft. Keep in mind that each listing you add is 20 cents, but it'll pay off once your listing sells. In step 6, I'll show you how to get sales and grow your shop. Ask yourself these questions about your shop. This will really help you figure out what your brand strategy will be. A big tip I can give you is promote yourself on social media. You can use YouTube, Pinterest, or anything else. My favorite way to get happy customers and good reviews is to add a personal note and a free gift. And lastly, step 7 is shipping orders. When you get a sale on Etsy, go to the shipping and orders and you can print off a label straight from there. Carefully package your item and ship it off. I put mine in the mailbox for the mail carrier to pick up. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful and are able to start your own shop. Subscribe so you won't miss any more small business videos.